excited about this. Do not discard. It's a saw blade. This one. Oh, two. Okay, two saw blades, which is cool. Good. Interesting. Okay, trying to get the plastic off. Okay, there's a manual, which is good. Might even read up. Oh, I've watched dozens of YouTube videos. Okay. I will flip it over, which is the fence side. Desiccant. This is the front. Oh, it's a beast. There you go. That looks super awesome. I think the fence unclips from here and then clips on here. There we go, there's a fence. And then that, oh, I need to lock those two. Ah. Right, nothing much happens now. This flops over. Okay. There we go. I knew there was a lever somewhere. Okay, so I've locked the fence down. It says it should be 59 centimeters. So then I just did a check with my tape measure in the center of the throat plate. So that's pretty cool. This is the up and down bit, blah, blah, blah. Ah. So now I need to measure the height because I need to build a stand for it. So, it's a bit dusty. So, the table height is what's that? 325. 325. So I need to do my calculations, and you see here I've been starting to work it out.